Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Everyone must have an Apple ID and be signed into Icloud. Once done, make sure you choose one organizer. This person manages invites and the shared payment method. Turn on two-factor authentication to secure the group and verify devices run compatible OS versions. You should also add or confirm a valid payment method for shared purchases. This prevents interruptions when family purchases occur. Now open Settings or System Preferences to start creating the family sharing group. You'll add members by tapping Add Member and sending invites via messages or by creating Apple ID for children. That choice affects parental controls and screen time. Once people accept, configure shared features. Enable iCloud storage to pool space, turn on location sharing for Find My, and select which subscriptions to share. Make deliberate choices about purchase sharing and ask to buy for minors so you control spending. Finally, verify each device shows the active family sharing indicators. You finish by checking that shared storage and subscriptions appear under family settings, and that ask to buy and screen time apply to the right accounts. Make sure device locations are visible in Find My and that each member's purchases route to the organizer's payment method if intended. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into iCloud, update the OS, and resend invites. If invites still fail, reset network settings or remove and re-add the member. That usually resolves common sync and invite errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.